हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एब्रॉड जॉब्स हंट। तो आज के वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करूंगी हाउसकीपिंग रिलेटेड 10 इंटरव्यू की क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। ठीक है, तो पूरे वीडियो देखना। अगर अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कर देना, अगर नए हो तो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और भी नए नए वीडियोस के लिए। ऐसे ही बहुत सारे इंटरव्यू के क्वेश्चन आंसर, जॉब रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन आप लोगों को इस चैनल में मिल जाएगा। तो अगर ऐसे ही इंफॉर्मेशन आप लोगों को चाहिए तो सब्सक्राइब करके बेल बटन प्रेस कर देना। जब भी मैं कोई वीडियो अपलोड करूंगी आप लोगों के पास नोटिफिकेशन चला जाएगा। तो चलो देर मत करके आज का पहला क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं। देखो, अगर आप कोई भी इंटरव्यू में जाते हो, ठीक है, तो पहला क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को क्या पूछता है? टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ। ठीक है, ये सभी इंटरव्यू में आप लोगों को पूछता है। इसमें आप लोगों को क्या बताना है? इसमें आप लोगों को बताना है आप लोगों का नेम, एड्रेस, फैमिली डिटेल्स, जॉब एक्सपीरियंस, आप लोगों का करियर प्लानिंग, ये सारी चीज आप लोगों को बताना है। उसके बाद आता है आप जिस जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो उसके रिलेटेड इंटरव्यू की क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, तो इस टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ के बाद जो क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को पूछ सकता है हाउसकीपिंग रिलेटेड, वो क्वेश्चन देख लो। कैन यू डिस्क्राइब योर प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस इन हाउसकीपिंग? आंसर में आप लोग क्या बताओगे? I have worked in housekeeping for over 5 years, primarily in hotel and resort settings. During this time, I have gained extensive experience in cleaning guest rooms, public areas, and handling laundry services. I have worked in both large, high occupancy hotel and smaller boutique establishments, which has given me a well rounded understanding of different housekeeping standards and practices. My responsibilities included maintaining cleanliness, restocking supplies, and ensuring that all areas met the high standards expected by guests and management. सेकेंड जो क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को पूछ सकता है वो क्या है? देखो, What cleaning products and equipment are you familiar with? आंसर में आप लोग क्या बताओगे? I am familiar with a wide range of cleaning products and equipment, including disinfectant, multi-surface cleaner, glass cleaners, and eco-friendly cleaning solutions. I have experience using vacuum cleaners, carpet shampooers, floor buffers, and steam cleaners. Additionally, I am skilled in using microfiber cloths, mops, and other manual cleaning tools. Understanding the proper use and handling of these products and equipment ensures that I can maintain cleanliness efficiently and safely. Question number 3 देखो, how do you prioritize your tasks when given multiple cleaning assignments? आंसर में आप लोग क्या बताओगे? When given multiple cleaning assignments, I prioritize my tasks based on urgency and importance. I start by assessing which rooms or areas need immediate attention, such as those which upcoming checks in or high traffic public areas. I then create a plan to efficiently move from one task to another, ensuring that I maximize my time and effort. Keeping a checklist and staying organized helps me stay on track and complete all assignments within the required time frame. Question number 4. Can you describe a time when you went above and beyond in your housekeeping duties? आंसर में आप लोग क्या बताओगे? In one instance, a guest had accidentally spilled red wine on the carpet just before a major event at the hotel. Although it was not part of my regular duties, I volunteered to handle this situation. I quickly gathered the necessary cleaning supplies and equipment and meticulously treated the stain. After multiple treatments, the carpet was restored to its original condition. The guest was extremely grateful, and my supervisor commended me for my quick thinking and dedication to maintaining the hotel's standards. Question number 5. How do you handle feedback or criticism about your cleaning work? आंसर में आप लोग क्या बताओगे? I handle feedback or criticism by listening carefully and taking it constructively. I believe that feedback is essential for growth and improvement. If someone points out an area that needs attention or improvement, I make it a priority to address the issue immediately and learn from the experience. Maintaining a positive attitude and being open to suggestions help me continuously improve my performance and meet the high standards expected in housekeeping. Question number 6. What steps to take to ensure the safety and cleanliness of a guest room? आंसर में आप लोग क्या बताओगे? To ensure the safety and cleanliness of a guest room, I follow a detailed checklist that includes dusting, vacuuming, sanitizing surfaces, and disinfecting high touch areas such as light switches, door handles, and remote controls. I use approved cleaning products and ensure that all linen and towels are fresh and properly arranged. I also check for any maintenance issues such as loose fixtures or malfunctioning equipment and report them promptly. Ensuring that the room is not only clean but also safe and comfortable for guests is my top priority. Question number 7. How do you manage your time to ensure all assigned rooms are cleaned efficiently? आंसर में आप लोग क्या बताओगे? Managing time efficiently is crucial in housekeeping. I start by creating a schedule that outlines the order in which I will clean the room. Prioritizing rooms based on check-in time and guest requests help me stay organized. I also use time-saving techniques such as carrying a well-stocked housekeeping cart and performing tasks in a systematic manner. By staying focused and organized, I can ensure that all assigned rooms are cleaned thoroughly and promptly. तो ये जो सारी क्वेश्चन मैं आप लोगों को बता रही हूँ, ये सारी क्वेश्चन हाउसकीपिंग की इंटरव्यू में आप लोगों को मिलेगा ही मिलेगा। अच्छे से तैयार करके जाना। और कोई भी इंटरव्यू में सिलेक्शन से पहले सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात होता है आपका रिज्यूमे और सीवी, जो आपसे पहले उन लोगों के पास पहुंच जाता है। तो अगर आप एटीएस फ्रेंडली सीवी, स्टैंडर्ड सीवी बनाना चाहते हो तो आप इस नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। डिटेल्स आप लोगों को व्हाट्सएप करने पे मिल जाएगा। अगर आप हाउसकीपिंग रिलेटेड 50 इंटरव्यू के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में आप लोगों को चाहिए तो आप इस नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप और कॉल कर सकते हैं। ये सारी इंटरव्यू की क्वेश्चन अगर आप लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज लाइक कर देना, नए हो तो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और भी नए नए वीडियोस के लिए। तो चलो देख लेते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 क्या है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, डिस्क्राइब योर एक्सपीरियंस विथ लॉन्ड्री सर्विसेज इंक्लूडिंग वॉशिंग, ड्राइंग एंड फोल्डिंग। आंसर में आप लोग क्या बताओगे? I have extensive experience with laundry services including washing, drying and folding linens and towels. In my previous roles, I was responsible for operating commercial laundry machines, sorting laundry by fabric type and color, and using the appropriate detergents and settings for each food. I also ensure that items were dried properly and neatly folded before being disturbed to the appropriate areas. Attention to detail and following proper procedures were essential to maintaining the quality and hygiene of the linens. Question number 9. How do you handle a situation where a guest is dissatisfied with the cleanliness to their room? आंसर में आप लोग क्या बताओगे? If a guest is dissatisfied with the cleanliness of their room, I approach the situation with empathy and professionalism. I listen to their concerns carefully and apologize for any inconvenience. I then offer to rectify the situation immediately by re-cleaning the room or addressing specific areas of concern. Ensuring that the guest feels heard and respected is crucial. I also follow up to make sure they are satisfied with the resolution, which helps build trust and ensures a positive guest experience. Question number 10. What measures do you take to prevent the spreads of germs and bacteria while cleaning? आंसर में आप लोग क्या बताओगे? To prevent the spread of germs and bacteria, I use disinfectants on high-touch surfaces and ensure that I follow proper cleaning protocols. I wear gloves and change them frequently to avoid cross-contamination. Using color-coded cloths for different areas, such as bathrooms and living spaces, helps maintain hygiene. I also make sure to clean and sanitize my equipment regularly. These measures help maintain a clean and safe environment for guests. तो ये रहा आज के लिए 10 हाउसकीपिंग के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन। अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर देना, नए हो तो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और भी नए नए वीडियोस के लिए। आज के लिए इतना ही। राधे राधे।